Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. In this lecture, we will learn the terms of continuous uniform distribution. The topic of today's lecture is continuous uniform distribution median. In this lecture, we will discuss what is median and how to calculate median in case of continuous uniform distribution. So let us start with the definition of median in the continuous uniform distribution. If x follow uniform over A and B, then the median of continuous uniform distribution is defined as, say M is the median, then the median is defined as median is equal to probability x less than m is 1 upon 2. In the previous lecture, we have already learned what is median. We know that median is a positional average which divides the data into two equal parts. 50% of the data is less than median and 50% of the data is more than median. Hence, the probability of getting less than median is 50%. So, it is 1 upon 2. Hence, the probability of x less than m is 1 by 2. If students want to learn what is median, how it is calculated, then click on the I button at the right top corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. Here, as x is a continuous random variable, we shall calculate this probability x less than m as integration minus infinity to m fx dx, and it should come out to be 1 upon 2. As x is uniform over AB, the range of variable x is from A to B. So, the lower limit must be A. Hence, integration A to m fx dx, where f of x is nothing but the PDF of continuous uniform distribution, and we know that for continuous uniform over A to B, the PDF is 1 upon B minus A. Hence, it is integration A to m 1 upon B minus A dx is equal to 1/2. As the 1 by B minus A constant, we can take it outside of the integration. So, it is 1 upon B minus A integration A to m dx equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon B minus A. Integration dx is x over the limit A to m. Substitute the limit of the integration, we get one by B minus A into m minus A is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the equation in M, median. We shall solve this equation to obtain the value of median, that is m. Therefore, multiply this factor 1 by b minus a to the right side, we get m minus a is equal to 1 upon 2 into b minus a. Take the value of a to the right side, then it becomes plus a plus b minus a divided by 2. Simplify this equation, we get m equal to twice a plus b minus a divided by 2, and this is a plus b by 2. Hence m equal to a plus b upon 2. Therefore, the value of median comes out to be a plus b by 2. This is the value of median. Hence, we have calculated how to calculate the value of median, and which comes out to be a plus b by 2. In this lecture, we learn what is median and how it is calculated. If students want to learn the other terms of uniform distribution, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all that lectures are also given in the description box. Further, the basic concepts of statistics are also studied in the previous lectures. They are also given in the description box. If students like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel for the more upcoming lectures. In this way, we will stop here and we will meet in the next lecture with the next concept. Till then, thank you.